Well, I'm sure that with the last videos, you have been able to work on your sounds. Now, how would you practice these sounds? Very simple. Let's see all the sounds which we have done with the drill. Practice with me. Sa 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 sa. Za 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 za. Fa 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 fa. Va 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 va. Ta 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 ta. Ka 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 ka. Sha 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 sha. Remember the cup and the water? Sha 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 sha. And you can also say ja 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 ja, like pleasure, pleasure. Mind you, z and j both are different. Practice this drill, and I guarantee you will be able to get the sounds correct. Follow us on our social media platforms and connect with us if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.